If you've got one of these style steering wheels and you need to replace it because either this is doing the loop-de-loo or for any number of reasons, this is how you do it. This is actually a really easy replacement. It's a Freightliner tractor. Obviously this is 2019, I believe. All you really need is either a 10mm socket or Allen wrench. I recommend the socket. Mine grew legs, I don't know where it is, so I'm just using that. You reach your fingers up in here and you yank. And try not to hurt yourself. And then right in there is where you get your 10mm. And you don't have to worry about the steering wheel being lined up like in some of the others, like with M2s. And this is the reason why. Right in here, you have two slots that are wider than the rest, top and bottom, and it will only fit in there. So you can't misalign this thing, which is actually quite nice because you don't have to mark anything or get the steering wheel perfectly straight and fit it on that way. So go ahead and get this backed out. That's a 10mm. Don't use a 3/8. You'll strip the inside and then you'll kind of be in some deep crap there because it won't come off and you have to struggle with that. So 10mm it is. And don't use an Allen wrench. Use a socket. Mine I just don't have on hand. Easy stuff. Got that out. And then you want to take this out right here because we don't have one here. And it just fishes right through and into the steering wheel there. So go ahead and get that out. And then as you lift this steering wheel, the old one, go ahead and make sure that goes through there, through that slot, and doesn't get caught and rips the whole thing out, or else you'll have to get a new piece. And the one I'm talking about is this right here. Just like that. And then what I do to get the steering wheels off, I'll hammer a couple times with my hand on this side, and then I do the same on the other side, and eventually it'll just wiggle and work its way off. There it is, completely off. And right here is where I was talking about the grooves are a little wider. So you can't really misalign this thing unless you really try and smack it pretty good, but it'll align itself. If it doesn't fit, just rotate it and pay attention to those slots and get it on correctly. And then, yeah, you go from there. Got that back on. It actually slid right on without any issues. Then you put this in, good stuff, and then you get that back in. I've got it all the way back on. I'm not going to give torque specs for that because you just contact the manufacturer to look in any books that you have, any of the manuals, any repair manuals. I don't like giving torque specs because I don't want to be held responsible. If it changes or if I'm wrong, just look that up and then you will get it as tight as you need to. And the last step is for the faceplate. These don't come with the steering wheels. These are separate. So if you need a new one, you just have to order one. And they are the 4 slots right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just hammer that back in. Make sure you got it lined up properly first, or else you might break one of the posts. Then just hammer the 4 corners. One tip with this is if the horn is not working, then your driver door has actually been shut too long. Go ahead and open that and then try the horn again, and almost guaranteed it'll work. If it doesn't, then there's some sort of contact in there that is not connected. But yeah, see, there we go. Is it working? Let's pop that door open. And there you go. So that is the fix for the horn not working if you replace the steering wheel. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps somebody.